asking if I have an opinion on Affinity Editor. My opinion on any graphic design software is if you feel comfortable using it, use it.
Good answer. Good answer. Number one.
Very political.
Survey says number one answer.
But it's very true. Like, I am a diehard Adobe fanboy, but that does not mean it's the only program out there or only programs out there to use. If you feel comfortable on Affinity Editor and you feel like that's something you want to put your time into and you trust, like, I have no problem using that. I've used a lot of different software, but I've always come back to Adobe just because it's what I'm most comfortable with. So that's really what it comes down to for me, is what are you the most comfortable with? If you're looking for my suggestion, if you like what you want to actually put your time into, I would stick with Adobe just because they've been like kind of on the cutting edge and always pretty stable. So their programs have never gone down or gone away or not been supported. And I've seen that happen with a few other smaller companies. So that's my feeling on that. But if you know how to use it and you're comfortable with it, I would just keep using that. Yeah, there's a few people suggesting other design tools, even web-based ones that are a little bit more complicated than Spark, but that's just like a long road to go down to talk about all the design tools out there. So my opinion still stands. If you're looking for something more complicated, it's definitely out there, but Spark just covers all of the bases that I've seen, and I'm just so happy with it. But if you want to dig more into that, like, I would pretty much say Spark is for everybody, but especially if like art isn't your thing. If you just want to get stuff done, if you have a simple idea that you just want to get out of your head, Spark is kind of where you want to go. If you're actually interested in design tools and you want to become like a better creator and you care about the way things look, and if it's like me, where it's like a creative outlet for you, definitely looking into some of the other programs out there is worth your time. Again, I'm going to point you to Adobe just because it's hard for me to suggest anything else when they've, helped me have so much success in my career of doing art. But it's not to say that's the only program out there.